Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday to you. I want to do just a quick little doodle today. I've been watching Peter Draws. Do you guys know Peter Draws on the YouTubes? Oops, wrong direction. Make sure this is nice and bright. I've been watching Peter Draws, and I'm just going to do a free form sort of doodle in his kind of a style, and we'll see what happens. At church the other day, I did one of these, and I ended up with sort of a dragony looking creature. And then it turns out that and I had drawn it before church, and then as it turns out, the sermon that day talked about seraphim, and they were six-winged seraphim, and darned if I hadn't drawn a six-winged creature. Just going to draw just a doodle. Does it have any structure or pattern to it? No, it doesn't. So, I mean, you can kind of follow along, or you could just do your own thing. I don't have much to say today, folks. Kind of thinking about my friend, lady at church. So many things have gone on in her life lately, and then she just lost her son this weekend. Just beyond, I don't know how she's coping. I really don't. I feel so bad for her. I want this to come this way and kind of fill up this space. Like that. This feels like it needs something here. So as deacons, we're going to help her with her memorial service whenever that ends up being. She's got a lot of struggles to go through. Apparently her ex was or is a tribal member. I don't know what tribe, but a tribal member. And so there are certain tribal laws that surround services for tribal members. She's not a tribal member, and she wants a Christian service. I don't know how that's going to work out for her. She's got a lot to figure out. It's only been a couple of days. So, I believe our pastor's meeting with her right about now. Today. Oh. I want more straight. More straight lines. That. Now what do I want to do? I want this line to come through here. Come that way. Why? I don't know. I just do. And then I want this one to come through, going this way. Like that. Now it kind of looks like a bowl of ramen noodles with chopsticks in it. I don't know what it is. It's just a doodle. Does it have to have a thing? Does it have to be a thing? No, it doesn't. I want some dark. I want some dark. Give me my brush pen. If I can find it. I want some dark in here. And I want some dark in here. And in here. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of Peter draws. I've been putting him on before bed and just falling asleep to with him. His voice is very soothing. And sometimes I think he has a plan. Sometimes I don't think he does. I think he just doodles. He does whatever he wants to do. That got a little. I'm annoyed that that happened, but you know, it is what it is. Um, Perhaps we need some jelly roll. Kind of highlight this shape. My watch is telling me it's time to get up and move. Probably is. Yesterday was quite the day. I had a 15,000 step day yesterday. So today I can sit. Right? Should be able to sit today. Okay. Then I think I want a pink. Make sure it's working. Like that. And like this. Do I want to do anything else? I think simple is good. Simple is fine. I'm going to sign that. It goes this way. I do know that. It lives this direction. I like it. It's simple. It was easy. It just lives because it wanted to live. Whatever that is, that's what it wanted to be. All right. You guys have a blessed day. Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place. One person at a time. I will see you next week. And yeah, have a blessed day. Bye-bye, everyone.